Super brightness. Combo beam with triple row and nest reflector cup design in the middle for extreme light efficiency. Upgrading reflector cup. The broad reflective plate on both sides allows multi-angle refraction, ideal for ambient illumination. Adjustable mounting bracket. The bracket can be adjusted and slid, offering convenience to adjust position flexibly when needed. High performance. IP67 waterproof rate, efficient cooling, die-cast aluminum alloy housing, over 30,000 hours lifespan. Package include 1 PC 20-inch LED light bar and mounting brackets. Fit type. Universal fit. Size. 20-inch triple row light bar. Specification. 20-inch triple row LED light bar beam pattern. Flood spot combo beam. Input voltage 9 to 30 volts DC. Fits 12 volts, 24 volts. Vehicles. Working lifespan. Over 30,000 hours. Working temperature. -40 to 85 degrees Celsius. LED color temperature. Pure white. 6000K 6500K material. 6063 aluminum alloy profile. High quality lead chips. PC lens. Waterproof rate. IP67. Waterproof, dustproof, quakeproof and anti-corrosive. Applications. Off-road lighting, Jeep, 4x4, car, ATV, UTV, SUV, truck, trailer, forklift, train, boat, bus, outdoor lighting, etc. Other lighting. Excavator, dozer, road roller, crane, tractor, harvester, grain drill, snowplow, fire engine, rescue vehicle, mining lighting, construction lighting, etc. Household lighting. Garden, backyard, garage, indoor lighting. Top reviews from the United States. Extremely bright, easy to mount. I like the easy to configure mounting brackets. It sends light to the sides and front great. Used it on an 02TJ with EAG bumper. Just be aware, when mounting with the bolts vertical you only get a couple degrees of down tilt before the housing hits the mounting bolt heads. Not a big deal in my application, but might be for others.